bacon and I threw in a few bricks of my sweet cream butter.
Oh. Didn't have to do that, Ida. I know you're struggling to make ends meet.
No, there's nothing like butter to make a house at home. Oh, George, I told you to wait on that. You know, I swear that boy is touched.
I'm sorry.
And then there's his complexion. My God, how he suffers affliction. But at least he'll be able to run a grocery one day.
It's a cup of coffee, huh?
Really.
Oh.
Good housekeeping.
Oh.
We saw this symbol carved on the post in the woods.
Your husband always said when he passed he'd want Isabella's old things to her children, including the trunk of
Oh.